Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So, who else has those absolutely crap pouring days where nothing at all works as planned or even remotely close? I'm having one of those days. So, I'm just posting this video just kind of to vent to you guys a little bit. Because I just did multiple paintings and none of them turned out even remotely like I was attempting, and so I was kind of throwing in the towel. But then I made this, which I thought was really cool. And of course I didn't have it on a video because I kind of gave up on the videoing and I just played with it. But long story short, I did a swipe, didn't like it, swiped again, didn't like it, swiped again, and then still didn't like it, was about to give up on it, took a stick and went in there with this tree. This is with the Arteza pouring paints. I actually really like how it came out. I think it's kind of magical. So I just wanted to show you guys and also kind of to vent to you and let you know that I have those really bad pouring days too. I'm assuming that some of you get them and it's not just me. But anyways, I'll go ahead and show you guys this one. So I do really like these colors. And the tree's kind of like a wrecker ring, almost like it's gonna hold that shape. It's a bit abstract, but it'll hold the shape. I definitely like these colors together, and I mean, I was just kind of happy to make something that I was sort of happy with. So hopefully you guys are all having a better pouring or painting or just a better day than I am. Thank you so much for letting me vent to you, and I will see you all next time.